welcome to Shukla Vegan. My name is VJ. Today I'll be doing a very simple snack and it's called the crispy corn snack. It's a dish that you can quickly whip up, especially when you have unexpected guests standing at your doorstep, or you want to Netflix and chill and you wanted something to munch on. You can quickly get this done in a matter of minutes. So let's dive in. So once your corn is boiled and cooked, don't immediately add the flour. Just let it settle down and cool it for about 5 minutes before you add the flour. So you have to add the corn flour in 2 batches. So the first batch would consist of 2 tablespoons and then give it a first layer coat, and then you add the second batch of another 2 tablespoons of your corn flour. This is actually to prevent the corn from lumping up together. So if you were to add all the 4 tablespoons together all at once, there's a possibility that they could all just clump up together, and while you're frying it, you won't have like individual pebbles of corn. So do it in 2 batches. Okay, so I need to let you guys know that while your corn is frying up, sometimes it can pop. Literally pop in your face. That's because the corn may still have water, so water with oil is just going to pop, explode. Okay, so it can fly up, literally fly up. So if you are around the stove while it's frying, I would suggest you have a cover or a shield to protect yourself and your face, just in case it splatters all over you. Otherwise, just stay clear from the frying area while it's getting cooked. Okay, so don't tell me I didn't warn you, alright? This is it, guys, our crunchy corn snack. So yummy. Can you hear the crunch? It's so addictive. Anyway, do give this recipe a try. If you do it, do tag me on my Instagram or my Facebook at Shukla Vegan, or you can comment below. So thank you for watching my video, and if you did enjoy it, do hit the like and subscribe button. And till I see you guys next, take care, stay safe, and bye!